Hey guys, so we're here again with the video of the week. And remember that Purify Bars are 20% off. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I'm actually doing extractions immediately after a Brazilian waxing service. These tweezers are extremely sharp tipped at the end. So when I go in, notice I have two pair of tweezers. I have one that has a blunt tip, so I use to pull out hairs, and I have one that has a very sharp edge pointed tip. So that way I can enter the skin with it's almost needle sharp without hurting the clients. And I pull the skin very taut and going at an angle and pull out any impact. I'm putting everything on the back of my glove per usual, so that way it's out the way or it's in the glove. And I'm just going over the entire area. Remember, I stretched the skin very tautly so I can see any impact pores that may be there, if there are any ingrown hairs, and I'm going to do this entire area. So this is actually a full service that we offer here at the spa, which is called Ingrown Hair Prevention Treatment after a Brazilian waxing, where you can get your Brazilian done, and immediately after we do extractions for about 10 to 15 minutes max. So if you need more than that, we recommend that you get a V facial. And right here you see it's very impacted. I am trying to push out and I go from side to side. Like going back to, I would recommend a V facial because she does have impacted pores, but right now she's just doing the get her right because she's going on vacation. Over the entire area, getting out all of the ingrown hairs. And remember, see, I pull the skin very taut because that's how I can see the skin, I mean, the ingrown. Again, ingrown hair. And I just go and canvas the entire area. I'm actually going to stop talking so you guys can just enjoy the extractions. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. And you guys saw last week we hit 100,000 followers. Well, I am actually going to start vlogging my week as a spa owner, and I am going to upload those inside of our memberships. And hopefully, you guys will subscribe and you'll see exactly what it takes to own a spa and still do services and get back to doing YouTube, and at the same time be a mom and make sure that he's priority as well as work, myself, business, growth, and everything else. So, hopefully, you guys follow me on there. And remember, I am on the other platforms as well. Enjoy the extractions, guys. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. And this is the end of the service. I'm going to go through with our Power Pass solution, which is tea tree, AHA, and really close her pores back up while disinfecting any bacteria that got on the surface of the skin, and finish her off with a light, very light layer of power gel. So, see you guys later. Thanks for joining me again.